Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys on how to save your Alcantara on your steering wheel. As you can see, it's like a rock hard surface with no texture left. We're going to try it on black Alcantara and also white Alcantara in the interior on the seats. So I'll show you guys both ways and how it turns out. The product we're going to be using is the popular Sonax Extreme. We're going to follow the instructions and you guys will see how it'll come back to life. Because it's been so long since the wheel's been cleaned, we're going to soak the product in there for around 10 minutes before we proceed with removing it. So after you shake it around, we're going to apply the foam onto the surface. Put a generous amount. We're going to work it in there with our gloves. It's hard as I'm filming with one hand and applying with the other. We want to put a generous amount on there. Nasty. It's already coming on my glove. Just going to wipe it on the towel. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other side. If your wheel's not that bad, you can wipe it off right away. But ours is pretty bad, so. Take our time to apply it thoroughly. We're going to do the wheel first, and then we'll do the seats after. There we go. Now we're going to run the timer for 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes now. We're going to grab our clean microfiber cloth and soak up all the dirt. That's what it looks like. It used to be yellow. That's all the gunk, oil, and dirt that came out. We're going to do the same for both sides, and we're going to repeat the steps until it does not show up black anymore. So it's going to be rinse and repeat, or until you think it's clean enough for you, and then I'll show you guys how to fluff it up. But before that, we're going to work on the white Alcantara. So we're going to keep soaking this up. So this is what the first round looks like. We're going to go with the second round now. As you can see, the dirt's actually going onto my hands. I can feel it's already getting more and more supple now. So we're going to flip the microfiber onto a clean side and soak it all up again. You want to be firm but gentle. That's the second pass on one side. How nasty that is. That's the second pass. It's even dirtier than the first pass. That's the first. That's the second. You can keep going until there's no more black stuff coming out, or you can stop when you feel like it's clean enough for your liking. I'm going to go one more round. So now on to our final pass. Make sure get into the details and just take your time on removing the product from the wheel without being too rough. You don't want to scratch your Alcantara. Alright, so it's getting cleaner, but overall it's disgusting. I'm pretty satisfied with the condition now. It is 90% better. I'm going to show you guys a close-up. So I'm not sure if this is picking up on camera, but there's a soft texture on there now. And it's not in gray and white anymore, as you can see. It's back with some darkness. I'll show you guys how to fluff it up after. We're going to use an air compressor just to spray it. And if you guys don't have that, you can use a brush. But we don't want to damage it, so you got to be very gentle with Alcantara. So now we're going to work on the white Alcantara to see what it looks like. So first we'll work on the door. As you can see, I don't know why they would put that there, but I'm going to do that, and then we'll do the seats. So to make this easier, I've put the camera down. I'm going to put the foam on my hands and apply it this way. I'm not going to let it soak because it's not that dirty at all. Make sure you have a clean cloth. Just soak up the dirt. So there was no dirt that came out at all. So I guess there's no point in cleaning this part because it wasn't even dirty. But the wheel was disgusting. So now let's move on to the chair. So for the chair, we got these white piping right here. We're going to be generous and apply. And put the cleaner in, let it do its work. Let's put some here as well. That's a high wear and tear area. We're going to be even and get it on all the surfaces so they're going to be the same color once we clean it off. So if you want, you can wait 10 minutes, but we're going to go ahead and clean it off because it's not that dirty. So we're going to put it on and just wipe it off. It's that easy to use. So it's not dirty at all. For colored Alcantara, we want to make sure we flip it around more often. There we go. Right now it's still damp, so we won't really see the final color. But the wheel is looking really nice, as you guys can see. It's black and supple, and it's got color coming back. Show you guys what it looks like once it fully dries out. Alright, so this is where we're at. We gave it an hour or so to dry off. This is what the texture looks like now. This is before we fluffed it up. It's already more supple. I would say it's 80% there. it was at, let's say, 10% before. This side turned out better. It's not gray or white anymore. It's now dark and supple. But to fully fluff it up, there's two methods. You can either use a horsehair brush and just reverse brush it so the fibers stand up, or you can use compressed air, give it some distance, and just fluff it up. I'm not going to show you guys in today's video because once you fluff it up and you're using it, it's going to get compressed again anyways. So it's as easy as I described. It's either you brush it up with a brush or spray it with compressed air. So I would say this is definitely worth the work. It's brought it back to life. This is the product. You can check it out in the description below. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Let me know if you guys got any questions. You can leave them down in the comments below or email us directly. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.